Hey there! Have you always strived to be counted in the big leagues? If yes, you need to raise your game. And to do that, you need pro-level high-converting landing pages, websites, and e-stores to convert your visitor into paying customers. A robust and proven lead-generating system like opt-in forms and pop-ups in place that captures qualified leads on autopilot, top-notch graphics and designs to not only engage your prospects, but to build your brand and to become an authority in your niche. And lastly, you need a powerful email marketing solution that sends the best emails to your list inside their primary inbox to ensure more open rates and click rates. We are sure you must have used several tools and methods to create and implement all these marketing elements, but doing all these means paying through your nose, invest time, and do all the backbreaking tasks by yourself. In fact, when you have started taking actions, you must have faced these challenges. Investing in multiple apps to start, run, and scale up your business, and pay recurring charges, or outsource it to freelancers or agencies for each of these tasks, and still pay big. All it goes without saying is that you need to invest time, money, and resources. Plus, when you work with different tools, you are working in silos without any flexibility to share data, reports between apps, leading to poor campaign performance and tracking. And worst, still be unsure if these will work and get you the results that you were aiming for. But the good news is, you don't have to struggle anymore. What if we told you that a solution to solve all these pain points at a one-time price is here? Hey, we even tested this solution and made over $724,000 during 7 days of a campaign's launch window, and that helped us to enjoy an enriched leads database inside a single app. This solution has worked wonders for us, and so will work for you too. No matter in what niche you are working, this solution is for everyone. Introducing Kyza, the all-in-one business growth app suite that creates lightning-fast, high-converting pages, websites, pop-ups, opt-in forms, unlocks graphics, branding kit, and sends unlimited emails, all under one dashboard with zero monthly fee. The best part is, even a newbie with zero tech skills can create landing pages, opt-in forms, and much more in no time. In just 3 easy steps, you can start, run, and scale a business in any niche. Step 1. Select any proven to convert landing page. Opt-in form template is per your needs and niche. Step 2. Edit and customize, matching your marketing objectives. Step 3. That's it. Now, start publishing your pages or send emails to your list in their primary mailbox and start profiting like never before. Kyza is even loaded with awesome features like fully customizable drag and drop page builder that creates stunning landing pages for any biz. Mobile-ready technology creates responsive pages, websites, designs, opt-in forms, emails that work on any device ultra fast. A vast collection of brand-building graphics templates with inbuilt Pixabay integration, multiple types of smart lead garnering opt-in forms, suiting every marketing goal to capture leads, advanced AI-enabled pop-ups and opt-in forms, technology that boosts leads by showing offers as per visitors' interest, a drag-and-drop email marketing solution that creates and sends unlimited marketing emails right inside your customer's inbox, and much more. Kyza also lets you create sales funnel landing pages, product launch funnel pages, lead magnet funnel pages, webinar registration funnel pages, bonus pages, course funnel landing pages, logos, web banners, blog post banners, social media post images, lightbox opt-in forms, pop-up opt-in forms, splash opt-in forms, footer bar opt-in forms, header bar opt-in forms, drip email sequence, welcome email series, e-commerce email newsletters, discount offer promotion newsletters, sales-driven emails, customer support emails, product launch email sequence, and so much more. Wait, you can also make online money using commercial license. Yes, sell landing pages, opt-in forms, email marketing, or graphics creation services to hungry buyers and charge them anything to pocket 100% of every sale. Wait, here's the best part. Book Kyza now and also access cool bonuses worth $3,000 free. Still not sure? Try Kyza risk-free with our 30 days money-back promise. You have nothing to lose with the special limited deal. Don't wait and let your rivals edge you out, hit the Buy Now button before the price rises.